I found this one perch hole about directly right in front of y'all. Put some more stuff. Okay, directly right in front of us, and I'm gonna fish it. Okay. Whoops. Nibbling bite. Missed him. Okay, let's try that again. And I know it's not minnows because I've already caught 3. Okay, got one. Oh, there we go. Got me a bass. And there we go, guys. Got a bass. Nice little size bass I got. Alright, see ya.